Brad Williams, Frugal Finance Taxes. Doing your taxes for free. This is a quick 30-second overview of what IRS is offering to consumers. IRS Free File. IRS Free File lets qualified taxpayers prepare and file federal income tax returns online using guided tax preparation software. It's easy, safe, and no cost to you. Those who don't qualify can still use free File Fillable Forms. Individual tax filers, regardless of income, can use IRS Free File to electronically request an automatic tax filing extension. Here, you can use this guided tax software for adjusted gross incomes, 84 grand or less. Let the software do the work for you, so you can explore free guided software, or you have this fillable forms deal. And about the IRS Free File, the IRS Free File program is fast, safe, and a free way to do your federal tax returns. The IRS and industry-leading tax software companies deliver the program through the Free File Alliance. You can go through, if you have any questions and answers, go through this checklist here. And then if you check out these free file softwares, browse all trusted partners and find a trusted partner. You can go through and browse all. So you can see here some of the criteria. Here's the 8 trusted partners. You have Free Tax USA, Tax Act, file your taxes, easy tax returns. In some cases, you can get both state and federal for free. So be sure to read the requirements here. Free in all states. If your AGI is less than 48 grand, or your AGI 84 or less in active military, 84 grand or less in age 20 to 59. Etc., etc. You can go through and check this out. Thought I'd just pass this on to you. I'm sure you might have read something about it, but here's your source. I'll leave this link below. Comment if you have any questions regarding this free tax file from the IRS. Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Thanks for watching. Hope that helped. See you soon.